In this video, you will learn about Boolean operators and how to use them in a database to find just what you need. Databases work differently than Google, so to get the best results, you need to search differently than you may be used to. There are three Boolean operators: and, or, and not. We'll cover each of these individually, and we'll begin with and or because they're a little bit tricky. The way that we use these words when speaking English is different than the way we use them when searching a database. For and, in English, we use and to include more items. I like cake and pie. But in database Boolean searching, we use and to narrow our search so that we get fewer items. For example, if you were to search Freud and dreams, you would only get articles about both topics. As you can see in the Venn diagram, that search would only give you this part in the middle. Let's take a look at what this would look like in the actual database. So when we search for Freud and dreams, we can see that in both the subject areas and the title, these articles are about both Freud and dreams. And take a look here, we got 478 results. If we were to search with or, that would come out differently. In English, we use or to limit our items. You can have cake or pie, but not both. In Boolean searching, it's the opposite. We use or to broaden our search. So when you do a search for Freud or dreams, you get all of the articles that mention either Freud or dreams. So let's take a look at that search in the database. When we change it to Freud or dreams, we get those same two articles at the beginning, but now we have 29,875 results because we're getting every article that mentions dreams, even if it doesn't mention Freud, and all of the articles that mention Freud, even if they aren't about dreams. The third Boolean operator is much easier. Not is used to exclude terms. So if you were writing a paper about Freud, but you didn't want to talk about dream interpretation, you could search for Freud, not dreams. And this would provide the articles that mention Freud, but do not mention dreams. So let's take a look at that search. When we search for Freud, not dreams, we get articles that have Freud in the title or subject, but aren't about dreams. There are a lot of other search options within databases, including search fields, parentheses, quotations, and wildcards that can help you create the perfect search to find exactly what you're looking for. If you'd like more information on how these search features work, ask a reference librarian.